I want know who say Creole no got no culture.
Hello, I'm Keith Jones, and today I will be entertaining you from the exclusive resort of La Perla de Caribe, located on the Caribbean shores of Ambergris Caye, Belize.
Hello. I got a coconut.
You know what the favorite thing was? Dancing with this chef in the kitchen.
I'm at the exquisite Las Terrazas Resort, and we're going to create a true Belizean delicacy. We have a Caribbean shrimp. We're poolside here at the beautiful Portofino Resort. You and I, we're gonna make this together. Key Calker Tours, Ross Creek. This is amazing.
Dinner for two.
I love him.